Hi friends, welcome to Digital School for Kids. Today, we're playing a super fun Guess the USA State by Emoji game. You'll see clever emoji clues, fun puzzles, and exciting challenges that represent different US states. Can you guess all 50 states? Let's find out how many you can get right. Ready? Let's begin! Can you guess the state? It's Alabama! Amazing start! Which state is hiding here? Illinois! You got it! Can you solve this emoji puzzle? Arizona! Great job! Which USA state is hiding here? It's Arkansas. What state do these clues make? California. You're doing amazing. Can you figure this one out? Colorado. Nice work. What state am I describing? Connecticut. Brilliant. This one is tricky. Can you guess the state? Delaware. Well done. Which state comes to your mind? Florida. Fantastic guessing. Can you solve this clue? It's Georgia. Awesome. Only sharp eyes can spot this. It's Hawaii. Can you guess this state? It's Idaho. Excellent work. Which state is hiding here? It's Alaska. You got it. Can you crack this puzzle? It's Indiana. Keep it up. What state do these emojis make? It's Iowa. You're doing amazing. Can you figure it out? It's Kansas. Great thinking. What state am I talking about? It's Kentucky. Well guessed. Ready for another challenge? It's Louisiana. Super job. Can you guess this state? It's Maine. Awesome work. What state comes to your mind? Maryland. Fantastic. Can you solve this tricky one? Massachusetts. You're on fire. Which state is this? It's Michigan. Great job. Can you guess the state? It's Minnesota. What state do these clues make? Mississippi. You're doing amazing. Can you crack this puzzle? It's Missouri. Excellent. Which USA state is hiding here? It's Montana. Can you figure this one out? Nebraska! You're doing great! What state is this? It's Nevada! Awesome! Can you guess this state? It's New Hampshire. Which state comes to your mind? New Jersey. You got it. Can you solve this emoji clue? It's New Mexico. What state am I describing? It's New York. Can you figure it out? North Carolina. You're doing awesome. What state is hiding here? It's North Dakota. Can you guess the state? It's Ohio. Fantastic. Ready for another one? Oklahoma. Great guessing. Can you solve this tricky one? Oregon. You're on fire. Can you solve this puzzle? Pennsylvania. What state comes to your mind? Rhode Island. You got it. Can you guess this state? It's South Carolina. Fantastic. Can you crack this clue? Tennessee. Excellent work. Can you guess the state? It's Texas. Yeehaw! Which state is this? It's Utah. You're doing amazing. What state am I describing? It's Vermont. Fantastic. Can you guess this state? It's Virginia. Wonderful. Which state is hiding here? It's Washington. Can you solve this clue? It's West Virginia. What state comes to your mind? Wisconsin. You're doing amazing. What state do these clues make? Wyoming. Awesome job. Can you guess the final state clue? South Dakota. Fantastic finish.